1, 2, 3. Okay, we have an easy pad 3S, 23 by 80 inch, flatbed, CNC and manual teach lathe. It has an easy pad CNC control. You have a 3-drawer chuck and a quick change tool post, and we're gonna run it for you. That's your Z, running it manually. Your X, right? All right. Your Rapido. The ways are in very nice condition on both the cross and on the bed. They're hard in the ground. Low range. There's 3 different spindle ranges, and the ranges go from 10 to 2,500 RPM. The low range is, I think, what is that, 32, 600. Actually, it's 2 ranges, 32, 600 and 625 to 2,500. 100 in the low range and going up. 275, which is kind of the high, middle of the low range. The chuck, by the way, is an 18-inch 3-drawer chuck. The hole through the spindle on this machine is 3.15 of an inch. So it's a nice size hole, and you have a nice size chuck. We're in the high range. We're at 600 RPM, and again, that's an 18-inch chuck. So that's going pretty good. 800 RPM in the high range, quiet headstock, bearings sound nice. Well, yeah, I wouldn't go much higher now. I think we're good. Spindle brake, and there you go. Tailstock. Tailstock, by the way, has a number 5 Morse taper and 7-inch quill travel. The diameter of the spindle is 3.94. Manual, obviously, and that's a live center in the spindle. And, and again, you can see the ways are very nice. All the wiring is intact in the front of the machine and behind the way wireway in the front here. And this is an original paint machine. Thank you for watching our video.